Hi everybody, I'm Marco, Global Product Manager at ABB. And today I'm very pleased to announce TruCONTROL 2.0, a brand new ATS controller for transfer switching applications. Let's now focus on the main components of TruCONTROL 2.0. Here we have the unit case that is DIN rail mounted, and three types of HMIs, starting from the touch HMI for breakers and the LCD and deep HMI for changeover switches. Here instead we have our accessories, signaling and communication modules, and also external signaling modules such as the 10K version. Now I'm going to show you how to install signaling and communication modules on TruCONTROL 2.0. First off, you need to understand that you have just 4 modules. This is the maximum quantity that you can have. And more important, you need the internal power supply module in order to make them work. In this way, by opening the case, you simply put the module inside. Now that we have installed the modules on TruCONTROL 2.0, you will have signaling and communication available on the device. Now it's time to show you a practical example on how to install TruCONTROL 2.0 and a real case application with my colleague Gabriele, our technical expert.
Hi everybody, I'm Gabriele, technical expert of the TruCONTROL 2.0 device. Now we are talking about the mounting of the controller and the HMI. Starting from the case, we have that it can be DIN rail mounted either from the sides of the controller or from the back of it, thanks to these 2 adapters provided in the box. We can now see the product being installed on the DIN rail. To connect the HMI to the controller, we need an RJ45 cable. The RJ45 cable allows to decouple the line voltages from the controller and the HMI, improving the operator safety. We can now see a real application. We have the device installed in a switchboard. We can open it to see the controller mounted on the DIN rail, as well as the HMI mounted on the panel. They are connected to the RJ45 cable. In order to mount the HMI on the panel, a hole on the door must be made. The whole device is now mounted and can be safely operated from the HMI. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next one.